Chat, how we doing? Let me get my camo set over here. No, I'm too low now. All right, I think we good now. What's going on, guys? Good morning. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing this morning? Yo, yo, yo. All right, guys, I'm gonna need a favor from you. I need a favor. I have a new mic. I need to tell you. You need to tell me if the mic sounds okay. Is it am I too loud? He's back. Guys, listen. Me and wifey, Hannah, in chat have been sick all week. Okay? We caught a little bit of a cold and we've been put on our ass. As you guys can probably hear and see, I look like shit. Look, I haven't shaved in days. Okay, I look homeless right now. But I missed Tuesday with you guys, so I'm sorry. And this morning I woke up and yeah, I don't feel too good, but I was like, you know what, man, I'm still gonna hop on today with you guys. But nonetheless, I'm happy to be back. It's good to see all of you in here. But quickly, guys, before we start, let me know, how does the mic sound? How is the music? Are the volume levels okay? Just to make sure before we go on. Again, I got a new mic, so I want to make sure we're good going forward. Beard's looking good. Oh, the beard's not going to stay for too long, bro. Get well soon. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all of you. Yeah, I'm not running right now, and it's depressing. I wish I was. Yeah, she didn't catch a cold. You gave it to her? Oh, I don't know if I gave it to her. I think she gave it to me. It's good? Okay, cool, guys. All right, awesome. Of course, before we start, guys, you know the drill. Our amazing sponsors. None of this would be possible without them. Fund and Next CFDs. All right, with all of your CFD needs for all you Forex guys. And I have some good news for you guys, actually, but we'll get back to that in a second. Market Journal for all your news. Prop Firm Trader. If you guys don't know what firms to go to, Prop Firm Trader reviews all of them, shows you guys which firms are the most reliable. And then, of course, you have Apex Trader Funding for all you futures guys. And look what I'm wearing today. What am I wearing? Can you see? My favorite. Right here. TradeZella. Code CF20 for TradeZella. All right, boom, bum, done. Cool. Let me, I need it because I moved some of my setup around, guys. So my camera, as you guys can tell right now, is a little bit off. So 1 second here. Bear with me. How am I going to do this? Am I good like this? No, I'm not. No, I'm gonna have to manually move it. I have to manually move my cam, guys. Sorry, bear with me. I had to move some of my setup around because I got a new mic and stuff like that. So now I'm centered, I think. Am I centered? I am centered. Cool. Okay, cool. Oh, but I screwed this up, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Nice. Okay, we're good. Sorry, guys. I'm still OBS. I'm still a streaming noob, as you guys can see. Nah, we're good. Okay, we're cool. We're good. We're back, chat. We're back. I feel like shit, but we're back. We're back. Okay, so what happened while I was gone? A lot. FOMC happened yesterday. Big move to the downside, big move back to the upside. Marco, we need to get you a Boston hat. Hell to the no. When I used to watch sports, I didn't like Boston. All right. Yeah, I said it. I said it. NQ, guys, we're at all-time highs. I have no business taking any trades on this asset right now. But we'll get back to her in a moment here. Gold, interesting spot. And I know a lot of you guys in here are little gold nerds everywhere. Oh, here we go. Tyler is in chat. Well, if it isn't the employee of the goddamn month, about time you got back to work, pal. Mr. Tyler. If you guys didn't tune into Tyler's stream last night, you guys were missing out. His Asia streams, if you guys have nothing to do in Asia, turn on that stream. Or honestly, even if you guys do have stuff to do in Asia, still turn on that stream. Okay? He's gonna be doing you a favor by hopping on those streams. Absolutely hilarious. I watched the whole stream last night actually, Tyler, so thank you for entertaining me. Yo boy, any giveaways today? Yes, we have some giveaways, but first we're gonna do some trading. It's more fun like that. All right. Before we get started, guys, do me a big favor. Thumbs up on the stream. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Share the stream. Do all that fun stuff. Tell your brother, tell your sister, your mom, your dad, your dog. My dog's here. All right. Tell your dog. And that's all I asked for. Love you, pal. Love you, Tyler. That's all we asking for over here. Cool. What do we got on charts today? Okay, so again, and guys, NQ is all-time highs. So you know me, I don't touch assets at all-time highs. Is it frustrating? Is it boring? Yes, of course it is. I mean, I wish I could take, well, I don't want to say I wish I could take a trade every day, but I wish there was a little bit more action that we've had recently, because just based off my system, I just don't trade all-time highs. It's just, I have no business doing that. Yeah, I feel like if you're trading all-time highs, it's just low probability, so it can continue going long forever. And then if you're trying to short, then you're just shorting the top, right? And then, in my opinion, you wait for more data to print, probabilities increase. Simple as that. Okay, Charlie? Yes, sir. That is Charlie, the goat Charlie. The wifey knows. See, guys, I need you to do me a favor real quick. Spam W Hannah in the chat. She's sick in bed right now, but she's still hanging in with you guys. Hopefully she feels better soon. So maybe a couple W's for Hannah will help her feel better. Hey Mark, I need your help in USDJPY. There was one decision I was confused. Can you look at it? I took shorts on USDJPY. So that brings me to my next point. W Hannah. There you go. Hopefully these W Hannahs make you feel better, babe. Okay. Okay, so like I said, last couple, I mean a week, 2 weeks, indices have been at all-time highs. So per my system, there you go, W Hannah. Appreciate all of you guys. Per my system, okay, and listen carefully here. Per my system, I don't trade all-time highs typically. Okay, if I do, I'm probably taking L's, okay? Or I'm looking for scalps or intraday trades. So for example, yesterday I tried longing NQ before FOMC. We were at all-time highs and we traded before a news event. I got slapped up. I lost 1% across 6 fundeds. Okay, so that wasn't too nice of NQ. So that's another reason why I don't trade all-time highs. So I'm gonna make sure I don't do that again next time. So for the time being, I'm not just gonna sit here and not trade, okay? Because we have to, as a trader, you got to adapt to conditions. Okay, market conditions are gonna change. So sometimes we're gonna be at all-time highs. Sometimes they're gonna be super bullish, super bearish. You have to know how to adjust. So what did I do? I am back on Forex. Okay, not for a day trader, not for a scalper. I'm looking at trades on a swing basis. Okay, and I did want to get back to it. I did want to get back to Forex because obviously I can't hold trades in futures. So now if I'm trading Forex, I can hold trades again. Right, so I can take advantage of both sides. Futures for scalping intraday, and of course Forex for more swinging and like an intra-week kind of trade perspective. My first trade back on Forex, if you guys follow me on socials, you saw every step-by-step with it, but this was it. USDJPY. Shorts here taken on Monday night in Asia with actually quite a tight stop, only 12 pips. And my only trade on Forex this week. My only trade on futures this yesterday was I got slapped up. So is that a sign? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But again, this was my first trade. Partial points. You have this low. You have this low, and then finally my last target, which I posted everywhere on my Twitter, was this low, 145.800. All right. We'll get to maybe a breakdown in the future. I am very bullish on USD JPY right now. However, nothing to trade off of yet. Okay, this type of price action doesn't bring in any opportunity, so I'm just gonna have to wait. But we still have a long way to go. In my opinion, this might be a little bit crazy, but I said it here first. These highs will go 151.305, and that means we have another 230 pips to go. So I think there's going to be more losing my voice over here, more opportunity on the table. All right, but I said it here first. 151.300 is the next target for USD JPY. However, don't just buy right now. You have to wait for a setup. You have to wait for a setup. Respect the process. No setup, no trade. Always, 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 except for yesterday, apparently. I'm not going to lie. I didn't have it wasn't a bad trade yesterday I took. But kind of going against what I've been preaching, right? I don't really like to trade all-time highs. And what was I doing? I was kind of trading all-time highs. So I'm going to own up to that loss, and it is what it is. NQ gets to 24.550. It's a great long. But listen, bro, I don't know how you guys see long still, but look at this. Look at this. Look at what we've just done. Look at this massive bullish move we had late New York through Asia and London, taking out highs. How the hell would we still buy this thing? Do you have a list of pairs you'll be trading Forex? Yes, I do. Right here. These are all of them. The only Forex pairs I will be looking at. You got gold, euro, Aussie, USD JPY, GJ, and I have never traded German 40, but I have it on the list. And maybe a possible sell today. We'll see. I'll get to that in a moment here. But we're looking at these highs to go and then maybe a sell down. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Accountability. That's my boy right there. We keep it 100 on this channel. Always. I don't give a shit if I lose, man. You guys could listen, if I make money, that's all I care about. Fuck, if I have to lose sometimes, I lose sometimes. I don't care. I got slapped up yesterday. NQ was like fucking hitting me and shit, man. I took 2 losses yesterday with NQ. Okay, yeah. Again, NQ all-time high. So let's make our way to gold, because I know a lot of you guys like to trade gold, and I think gold might have a ridiculous sell-off. And unfortunately, it looks like there was already an entry. Maybe we can catch a little bit of a scallion, but the entry looks like was up here. Okay, after taking out this high from the left-hand side. This looks like that was the entry, and unfortunately, I'm not in it. You're not in it. So life's rough right now. My bad. My question was about USD CHF. I don't look at that, but remind me later on. Maybe we can take a look at it together. Okay. Marky, the DAX is so clean for swings. Yeah, exactly. So I have a couple people in my community that trade it. So, and I've looked at it, and when it moves, it moves. It's good. So I know lately it's been a little more rangy, but sometimes price just builds liquidity. It is what it is. But we're gonna have it on the list. Marky cheeks got clapped again. I feel so bad for this guy, dude. The last 2 weeks, guys, listen to me. The last 2 weeks in futures has been like watching paint dry. Okay, I haven't had any setups. Pray for me, okay? Pray for me. All right. I think I had 1 trade last week in futures, and now I have had 1 trade this week. Okay, am I even a trader anymore? Find out next. Stay tuned. I have taken that entry on gold. Well done if you have taken that entry on gold. Akash Pawar. That's a W right there. Let's go. Marco DJ BTC. I don't touch crypto, man. No crypto for me. No crypto for me. Okay, gold. Looking off the back of... Excuse me. Bear with me here. I'm a little bit ill. Off the back of FOMC yesterday, we had this big spike up above all-time highs. What a surprise. Gold is at all-time highs as well. And then a nice sell-off to the downside. Okay. This is what I like to see. Okay, and let me tell you. We'll go to 5 minutes, open this up. But a build-up of liquidity. Okay, you can see I'll take this high out. We take this high out. Continuously inducing buyers Finally, we trapped them below this low and grabbed the low from the left. That's what fueled, oops. That's what fueled this buy back up to the upside, which is good to see. You want to see that. Now that we've taken out this high, I view this as buyers getting induced. Okay, so we're going to have liquidity below this low, which we've already grabbed now. And eventually, I believe we're going to come down to this low as well. But it can be used for reactions first. Okay, the market can go bullish off this area. So I am not, my eyes aren't really drawn to anything right now. Do you think gold will go for equal low? Eventually, yeah. Yeah, the downside looks very, very good. These lows here. Mark these out. These lows look good. Eventually, yes. Will it go for it today? I'm not sure. Right, we got some decent momentum right now, so we'll have to wait and see. It is 9:30. Oh, so it is stock open. Let's take a look at these broken broken assets right now. Euro, guys, for people that are not new here, how long have I been saying these highs? And Papa Riz held to those highs. So I don't know if he's in here right now, but what a gangster play by Riz. He ended up closing partials above that high, and then I think he targeted something from the left-hand side as well, and both were smashed. So that man made almost 40 grand on this Euro long. But these highs were literally inevitable. Literally inevitable. They were just going to come get tagged sooner or later. 1.18. And they did. Now that these highs are gone, we're going to have to do something called wait. I know a lot of you guys don't like doing that. Okay? You guys like taking trades every single day. But for myself, this is called waiting price action now. Now I want to see where liquidity gets built again. Because this high is gone. So my buy setup is finished. Boom, bum, done. It's donezo. Nothing else we can do. Okay, so Euro is a waiting game right now. So any active Euro traders in here, chill out and wait a bit. Okay? And then you can thank me later. And honestly, it's like that across the board. All US majors. Everything's either just flying or sinking without entries right now, especially UJ. And unfortunately, I was very bullish on this thing. I've been waiting for a little bit of an entry maybe yesterday. But no. Okay, and I was looking at it in Asia last night, and this was the price action through Asia for me. But this is not tradable price action, all right? So there's been no entries on UJ for me as well. But like I said, I'm keen on all these highs to go. So this high will be like the next destination, 149.13. So what do? We have to wait for a buy setup because we're not just going to buy to buy. That's not how we trade. Marco, what's your view on GBP USD? I do not have that on my list. GJ was another one I was kind of waiting for, but no entry came for me. And now it's above not all-time highs, but it's above higher time frame highs. Okay, right here. It's a waiting game for me now as well with GJ. Okay, and again, so yes, it's boring sometimes, but that's trading, man. Okay, and I'm sorry. DAX. Interesting spot we're in. So higher time frames. Let's take a look at this. Let's get rid of this alert for now. The amount of liquidity we are building at this low right now is ridiculous. Okay, ridiculous. So I believe this low is going to be a draw for the future. Now we have taken out lows from the left, so probabilities are going down for shorts, unfortunately, right? Because if you're looking for shorts, if we are trading above this low, it's so much cleaner. Okay, maybe in here, maybe in here. I wasn't looking at it then, but maybe there was opportunity in this price action anywhere in here to look for shorts into the lows. Now that we're trading below the lows, not the cleanest sells to be looking for anymore, but I do really like this price action that was left here. This is a clean buildup of liquidity for me. Okay, so I do believe the shorts will occur back down to the downside. As for entries, let's keep an eye on these highs here. Okay, only thing I can see right now. So we're going to set an alert there. We're going to set an alert there. Oh man, I'm feeling like crap. How's everybody doing? How's chat doing? How's your week's been going? Or sorry, your weeks. How's your week been going? Have you guys been getting slapped up? FOMC. Who full ported their accounts in FOMC yesterday? Who did it? Don't lie to me. Farad says, Marco, when you are convinced about the direction but are not presented a trade entry, do you regret not being in the trade and watching it go in your direction? No, I do not. Because I cannot be in every single move. I wish I could be. But it's impossible. And the markets aren't perfect. So sometimes I have a really clean direction, but I can't be involved in the market. And it is what it is. I want to trade futures, but I'm more into swings. I tried on futures prop day trading, but I lost my account. Please help. There's no direct help for that, bro. You have to look and see what you've done wrong and fix up for the future. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Gold has now come into the lows. So again, these are where I believe buy reactions can come out of, but these are not areas I buy from. Okay? Unfortunately. Hi Marco, I am having a hard time understanding how you locate your POI for retail structure traders on your chart, your red boxes. Could you please explain? By the way, I am in class. I will watch after. Oh. Mark, you better be listening to that teacher over there. Wait, Mark Lavrac? Listen to your teacher. This is very simple though. This is what I would just classify as a retail POI. Very simple. That's the red box I would draw. Okay. And then on the flip side, I'll invert the chart. Same thing. I don't trade from that. Okie dokie. Boom. Simple as that. Can you tell us 628 USD? Oh, enough of this USD CHF, man. I don't trade that thing. That's an ugly ass asset. No, thank you. Chirag says, week's doing good. Week's going good. Sitting on my hands, being patient until A+ setups is presented. Oh, that's been the name of the game recently, man. Really has been. September has been like watching paint dry, and it's unfortunate, but that's trading, man. Majors falling. What is the Dixie looking like? I don't look at it like that, but I'm assuming we had a big sell-off yesterday in FOMC, and now we're reversed. Yeah, there you go. I would not be surprised if Dixie comes all the way for these highs. Keep an eye. Keep an eye out. These highs could be on the cards for Dixie, though. Wait, now that the lows are gone, I am bullish on the Dixie right now. For sure. Cool. Let's go back to gold. Let's see what's happening over here. Back down at the lows. NQ, is it moving off the open? A little bit, sorta. What do you think? Is this thing gonna sell today? At all-time highs? I don't know. I still think the highs can go again. Crazy to say, but we grabbed some internal from the left. Bro, don't read every comment. Beck Scott, I'm going to do whatever I want to do. I'm the streamer over here. Thank you very much. Hi, Marco. How do you mark out the boxes at the low? Do you have specific highs or lows or pivots at the low? No, I just mark out the low. If I have targets or like specific highs or lows I want ran, I'll just mark out the high, right? So like I just marked out this high. But if there's like a zone or an area I think buyers or sellers are selling from, I'll just mark it out, right? Doesn't need to be too exact. Ajatalia, hello. How's your morning going? Please show your entry, please. I haven't taken an entry, bro. I have not taken an entry. I have evals on the copier today, so we'll see if we can pass some accounts today. If there's some sort of entry that's given. Maybe some sort of scalp. We'll have to wait and see, boys. 4 hour close comes in 20 minutes, which I'm going to be keeping an eye on. What's YM doing? YM selling off the highs right now. Did it take out the highs from the left yet? It did. YM is now trading all-time highs as well. Wonderful. That is not great. Yeah, we're just gonna have to tuck Forex to the side right now, guys. The only thing we're gonna keep an eye on is this German 40. We'll see, but we have an alert set on it, so if something wants to come around for German 40, we'll have to wait and see. And maybe we'll try and play some scalps on indices today. I mean, not my favorite thing to do, but I'm trading eval, so we'll have to wait and see, boys. Do you enter trades before 9:30? Sometimes I do. I do. Not all the time. Very rarely am I entering trades before 9:30. If I am, maybe there was a news event 8:30 and I'm entering just after the news event. But that's basically it. Like, I'm not... Every other time, I'm mainly waiting for after the open. What is Dixie? It's just the dollar index. Right here. US dollar index. That's it. And she's flying. Malik, continue to wait, bro. It's gonna get sent to you, I promise you. Everyone that says that ends up getting it like the following day. So don't worry. You'll receive it. Did you take any trades this week, Marco? Lepeka, yes, I did. I traded New York session yesterday, pre-FOMC, and got my ass slapped up by an NQ. Speedy, healthy recovery. Trader-ish, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna... I don't know if you guys can hear. This is not an ad, I promise. But I'm gonna open some little breakfast over here because I need some food inside me. Why didn't you come live on Monday? Lepeka, listen to me right now. I'm sick as shit, man. And it wasn't Monday, it's Tuesday. World Info Cha. Hi, Mark. I hope you're doing well. What confirmation for buy do you take for gold? Your candles are white, both screen difficult to view. My candles are not white. They're white and black. You guys find this difficult to see? Seriously? I thought this is like the cleanest setup I've ever had. Gold is going into an interesting buying zone. What do I think? I think you shouldn't buy it. It's already taken the low. Look at that. Wait a second. Wait a second. Gold's on smoke right now. Hold the phone. Gold is on smoke right now. Look at that move we just had off the back of that entry. 380 ticks to the downside. Wait a second. Can she long out of here? No. These lows look they need to go, right? Let's see. I don't love it. Oh, yeah, I think the lows need to go, guys. Ugh. What a move, though, on gold so far. Wow. Yes, it is very clean. Thank you. I was scared for a second. Somebody said they can't see my screen properly because of my candle colors. What the hell? Julian, you gotta do your research, man. I believe in you. What's DAX doing? DAX is coming up a bit. Look at these things, man. How are we supposed to trade this? Someone tell me. What the hell, man? This is insane. I swear to God, these indices are broken right now. This shit is busted. Marco, what's your view on USD JPY? We went over that, but I'm extremely bullish on USD JPY. These highs. But there's no entries right now. And I think for obvious reason, I hope you guys can all see why there's no entries right now. I'm on the 4-hour chart, and this is what I see. Wait. Oh, here we go. One second. Wait a second. I can't find it. Ah. Okay, never mind. I guess we can't find the rocket. L. I was just gonna put a rocket on my screen. But yes, we're not trading UJ right now for obvious reasons. It's flying currently. Okay. Marco, greets from CR. Is that... Where's CR? Croatia? That might have been a terrible guess, but I'm not sure where that is. Motivationism world. Marco, good to see you. I took a loss on USD CAD, and you says you were shorting. If you were shorting, that's big mistake. And you're asking me why? Look, your direction was wrong, obviously. So you need to go back in your chart and figure out why your direction was wrong. Do I think there will be a bounce here on gold? I don't know. Could. It really could. I mean, this sell-off is so sharp. This thing could move back up. I'm just not... I'm skeptical on these lows, guys. Don't love them, but... This is acting like an LB, isn't it? We'll see. As of right now, there's no type of entries anyway, so don't worry. It's not like we're missing anything. We'll keep it on the... We'll keep an eye on it. Props to you. I caught this whole move on gold. Let's go. I wasn't on my computer, but yeah, this entry looks like it was actually, this was before news, so I would have had to take it afterwards with my stop above the high, something like this, like that, and then you target the low. Marco, it was a great week for me. Took both the trades on GJ each on yesterday and day before. Let's go, Lepeka W. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Love to see it. Love to hear it. Love to see it. W. What's the stocks things doing? What's these broken assets doing? This thing came all the way down for the low. I can't even move this line. All the way down for the low. We're getting a move up right now. Yes, sir, Kieran. I know. I said we're going to keep it on gold. Don't worry, though. For the people that are looking at gold, there's nothing that I would have taken so far. So, I mean, if you guys are looking to see what I see, I just don't see nothing yet. We've had 4 1-minute candles print. So, give me some time over here. Ducky races later. No ducky races for me today. But, yes, we will do some giveaways, and we're going to use the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, no ducky races, though. Look at me, guys. I'm sick as shit right now. I'm so sick because I have medication all flowing in my system. Less yap, more trade. Okay. Listen, Tyler, don't test me over here, right? Gold longs. Gold longs. We're looking at gold longs. NQ, London low and bounce. Missed it. Yeah, I came for all this liquidity right here. You can see the lows to the left right here. And then we've had this reaction of a lifetime. This thing's very volatile right now, okay? Listen to me. Very volatile. This is 370 ticks in like 4 1-minute candles. Okay, lock in. This is very volatile. Yes, I know, guys, and you have to understand, don't come to my stream and ask me to do ducky races because you guys know Tyler is the king of doing duck races. We have to let the king do his thing. I will do Wheel of Fortune, okay? We'll spin that shit. Can you please break down your yesterday's trade? I got slapped up yesterday. What am I breaking down? How hard I got slapped? W Marco, I've taken 2 trades as per your liquidity concept on USD CHF and UJ, both W. Sure, Dreet. Hell yeah. That's a W. Hope you guys don't hear me chewing and shit, because that'd be weird. Look at this price action. Oh. This hurts my soul. Forex Rusty, how to join Wheel of Fortune? I'll let you guys know when it's giveaway time, I promise. I promise, okay? Stay to the end of the stream, near the end. You know what? No, it's a surprise. I'm not going to say when we're doing the giveaways. Yes, we're doing giveaways, but I'm not going to say when. And I'm also not going to run them unless we run the likes up. So how many likes we at right now? 106 likes. Okay. It's a glitch. Has to be a glitch. 270 people in here and we have 100 likes. Something's wrong over here, no? Something's wrong. We got to run those likes up. The likes don't go up, the boss won't let me give away free stuff. The more likes we have, the more giveaways we do, guys. That's as simple as that. I'm trying to help you guys over here. I'm trying to give you guys as much free stuff as possible. Second TP taken on gold. Short. I managed to get into it earlier. W. Let's go. It's the consequences of you missing work. Tyler, come on, man. I've been sick and shit, dude. I've been laying in bed, like, crying and stuff. I've been hurting these last couple of days. I haven't gone to the gym. Tyler, I haven't ran a single kilometer this week. I haven't ran a single kilometer. And now I'm going to this deep dark place in my head. Every time I pull out my phone and I'm looking at my weekly mileage and it says 0 kilometers. These are sad times. These are sad times. All right, cut me some slack over here, guys. I'm going through some mental shit over here. Guys, we're going to break down my trade from yesterday. Not my yesterday. From Monday, I think it was. The UJ sell. I will. I promise. But those Elmo shoes. Those shoes only get worn for races, Tyler. Lock in. I'll break down my UJ trade later on, guys. I promise you. Okay, Jake, stop spamming. I see 4 messages. Please recap your UJ trade. Please recap your UJ trade. Bro, stop yelling at me. Thank you. Thank you. I will break down. I promise, guys. I will break it down. Give me some time, please. Thank you. We're looking at some live markets right now. Later on, when stuff dries up, if we're not looking at anything, we'll look at the UJ trade. But please stop spamming the chat. Tell me to break. Oh, here we go. He spammed it again. Now, you know what? This is what you deserve. Okay? I timed you out now. See you, Jake. Bye. You want to keep spamming the same message over and over? And you don't want to listen? That's fine. Did you guys ever take in this move we just had yesterday? Look at this. From FOMC to today's high, we're looking at 2,100 ticks. Praveen, I deleted the recent video on inter-equity because we had some technical issues. We have a new video coming out on Saturday, okay? Oh my God, why do you guys keep copying and pasting your messages? Praveen. Jake, you sit on the bench. Yeah, Jake is on timeout right now. All right, Jake, and if you're still watching, you're welcome back in the chat, okay? But you're in timeout right now. Stop that. Stop doing that spamming. Stop doing the copy paste. Don't do that copy paste thing, okay? Praveen. Okay, another one. Listen, I'm not mad at you, okay? Just maybe it's a little bit disappointed. Okay, but you're not banned. Okay? You're more than welcome to join back in the chat, but you're in timeout right now. Stop doing this copy paste thing, okay? You too. No more of this Control C, Control V, Control C, Control. Stop that. Stop. Yeah, guys, but these indices, man, they're on smoke right now. They're on so much smoke. What's gold looking like? Gold. Let's pray we can get some clean delivery here. Right now, all I can see is we've taken out this internal low, and that's literally it. Let's wait. We need the 1 minute to develop something here. We'll wait patiently. Praveen, you're on timeout. ICT, you go sit in the corner. You go sit in that white van, okay? You go sit with Tyler. You go sit with Michael in that white van. And then, once you think about your actions, you can come back. You're more than welcome. Okay? We got 2 minutes till 10 a.m., guys. 4-hour candle is going to close up. I'm literally just skimming through charts like an idiot right now, but there is nothing to take, nothing to look at currently. Okay, so bear with me. Again, we have this alert set on German 40. But this is not a futures trade. So if I do look at this, I actually have to go look at my phone because I don't even know what volume do we use on German 40. I've never taken it. Excuse me. Clear my throat over here because I got food stuck. What volume do we use on German 30? I don't even know. A lot? Oh, so it's one of those ones you got to use like 50, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to use like probably 25 lots, I think. Can you check Ethereum? Bear with me, guys. We'll make our way to the pairs I don't look at sooner or later. Keep an eye on UJ, guys. And I'm telling you guys, the rest of the week, what day is it today? Thursday. So tomorrow, keep an eye on UJ because this is going to provide, it should provide some buys, but you're going to have to wait. We need to see what PM session New York does. We need to see what Asia does, probably even London. Okay, but maybe some sort of continuations could occur. Okay, take out a low and you look for a buy back up. Okay, keep an eye on UJ longs the rest of the week. I'm looking at 149.13. Okay? Listen carefully. I'm giving you some marker brother, check out EU Trade Forex. Now promise, maybe you missed it, but the majors right now on Forex are untradeable. Okay? Euro target hit. Okay? The higher time frame highs are now taken Okay, now we're starting to show some sells. So now what do I do when this occurs? I wait for more liquidity to build. When more liquidity builds, I know I have a better idea of where price is going to head. Okay. So I'm waiting right now on euro. Promise. I promise. See what I did there? No guru bullshit, real value. Always, guys. I'm not here to feed you guys some BS. I'm just showing you guys the reality of what profitable trading looks like, what needs to be done. Hanuman Tutorial says, brother, make a video on your liquidity setup. I have a million videos out on the internet already. If you go look at my YouTube, if you go look at my Instagram, all my links are in the description down below. There are so much content, so much free value. I'm giving back as much as I can. You'll be better soon. Thank you, Lepeka. Hopefully I will. I know, Tyler, but I'll keep yelling it. It's fine until they realize that 90% of trading is waiting, not spamming sells and buys everywhere. Okay, let's not do that. We're better than that. NQ is now taking out highs, internal highs. Do we get a sell from here, guys? Does it sell off? I don't know. I think German 30 buys are looking. Wait a second. I have German 40. Oh my god, I'm getting food stuck in my throat. I'm a noob when it comes to this German shit. I've never used this asset or never traded this asset before. Is German 30 and German 40 same thing, chat? Let me know. Or am I just an idiot? Am I an idiot? Or is it the same thing, chat? Marco, how do you differentiate between a winning and losing trade? What do you mean? Wait, what? A winning trade is profit, a losing trade is a loss. Minus P&L. Maybe you mistyped that. No stream tonight. I'm picking up Papa Gene. Oh my god, Tyler's picking up Papa Gene from the airport tonight. My question is, Tyler, why aren't you doing an Asia stream with Papa Gene? That's my question. I'm sure Riz is wondering the same thing. All right. So lock in. Scared says, bro is just talking, not trading. Scared, show me your P&L right now. Show me your payouts. Do it. I have a feeling that you're in here for pure signals and you want to take buys and sells everywhere. That's not how this works. Lock in, man. Come on. Gold sluggish right now. Still waiting, guys. Oh my god, Tyler, you need to do that, bro. You need to do that. I have food stuck in my throat. Papa Gene is an absolute lunatic. I need to see a stream with Papa Gene. Marco, Ethereum, I think it moves with your setup. Yes, there's many people in my community that trade Ethereum and Bitcoin with the system. So yes, it does work. I haven't really traded it. From what I've looked at, from what I've seen, my experience of looking in the crypto markets, yes. Yes, it does. Promise, yes, all my lists. And guys, listen up. This is my updated full-time list right now. Okay? Again, I am now trading Forex actively now. Okay? For like a swing trading kind of approach. These are all the assets I'm looking at. Take this Dixie thing off. These top ones, of course, NQ, gold, and YM are for futures. And then I have gold, euro, Aussie, USD, JPY, GJ, and German 40 for Forex. Okay? Marco, how much time took you to become profitable? Years, thousands of hours on the charts. NQ moving. She's moving. Is YM following suit? Oh, God, so ugly. So ugly. Careful on gold, guys. This thing is not looking pretty on the higher time frames. Honestly, I think this could just be a pullback in for a continuation short. Listen, I wish I had better news for you guys, but the markets look like fucking, it looks like poo. Jake, bravo. Listen, Jake, you're out of timeout, and I'm proud of you. Okay, hopefully you learned from your mistake. No more spamming. Okay, I am gonna get to all your comments eventually. Okay, just bear with me. Bear with me. Can you break down how I trade? There is a 2-hour long video on the ChartFanatics YouTube channel. Mods, if you can link that in the channel down below. There's a 2-hour long video how I trade. Okay, just please go watch that. Watch it multiple times and you'll then understand how I trade. I promise you. I'm showing you guys everything from A to Z. Okay, over the course of 2 hours. I sit down with Papa Riz, Boss Man Riz, and I show you guys exactly what I look for on the charts. Everything and anything. Okay, NQ flying back to that high. 24,762 should be the draw. There it is. Oh, German 40's coming up. This isn't looking too pretty, is it? Oh. Oh. Papa Riz kept playing. I'm not reading that. Maybe for C is maybe for C or is it what? But the confirmation of the liquidity is so hard for price action. Please break it down, Mohammed. I'm not sure what you're asking there. Maybe reword what you typed because I didn't know how to read that. How many hours a day do you spend on the charts to master liquidity? There is no definitive answer for that, bro. It's however long it's gonna take you. I don't think that's the right approach, anyways. You shouldn't be asking those kind of questions. You should be willing to put in as much time as possible, right? Regardless of how long it's going to take. I just wanted to thank you for your video on ChartFanatics. After watching it, my trading has improved instantly because I now have a completely different perspective on the market. On top of that, I also look for the right liquidity in the footprint to strengthen the picture, which makes it even more powerful. Really appreciate the insights you shared. Luca Monte W, bro. W. And it makes me very happy to see that you have gained value from the video we made with Riz. So that's great news. Is there a new video coming? Yes, I have more YouTube videos coming. Every Tuesday and Saturday on my channel, I'm posting YouTube videos as much as possible. Okay, except this Tuesday, we had some technical difficulties. NQ on its way back to the high. Yeah, this high should go. Nice $700 win on that bounce on gold. Well done. Well done, Colin. Good stuff. One second, chat. I'm sick over here and I gotta blow my nose real quick, so give me a moment. And I'm gonna mute myself and get rid of my camera. All right, chat, I'm back. My bad. I had to blow my nose, man. Again, I'm sick over here, so I'm trying my best. Liquidity taking on German 40. Maybe those lows should go. Yeah, I was looking at German 40, but no bueno for me, man. I'm going to steer clear of German 40 right now. I'm going to steer clear. W Marco, your liquidity sweep has done so much good for me as well. Thank you. G, thank you, bro. Thank you for the kind words, and it's good to know that it has provided you some value. That's great news. Marco, I am done for the week. What about you? I'm not done for the week. It's Thursday. Tomorrow we got Friday. I'm probably, from just by the looks of it, guys, today, we'll see, but looks like we're going to have no trades today. But yeah, I mean, listen, we'll see. We have, it's 10:12 to 10:12 right now, so we have less than an hour. We'll see how the next little bit goes. We'll see how the next little bit goes. No trades today. It's ugly. Yeah, I mean, for sure the indices are ugly. It's just, again, this is not price action I trade, guys. It's just not. Okay, we're at literally at all-time highs, so it would have been nice to be in this long from yesterday, but FOMC and yeah, so sucks, but that's trading, man. That's trading. Is what it is. We're gonna have to see what the indices look like next week, probably, because my bet is indices are gonna be cooked today and most likely tomorrow. Maybe early next week I'll have a more opportunity to trade NQ or YM, but for now it's those are probably on the sideline. Gold, however, these lows look crazy on gold. Wouldn't be surprised if this thing sold. We'll keep an eye on it. I'm not looking at shorts on German 40 right now, no. Euro USD liquidity has been taken. Euro USD, all the US majors, guys. Please, guys, listen to me. Don't trade them right now. Don't trade them right now. I'm telling you. Maybe tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be looking at UJ probably. If it can cook up a continuation. But Marco, have you ever traded the futures FX pairs like that 6E on from the CME? Oh, Euro? Yeah, I have. Bro, check gold. I have it up right now, Morocco. Marco, how important are highs and lows of the 4-hour candle as the market opens? Yeah, it's relevant for sure. Like the 4-hour candle closes at 10 a.m. So if you look at the 4-hour right now, and this is what really doesn't look pretty currently, is we're trading within the previous candle's high and low right now on the 4-hour, right? So this is a brand new candle, literally just opened up 4-hour 15 minutes ago. 1 hour, we had 9 a.m. a big bearish candle. 10 a.m. now we've struggled at the low a little bit. 30-minute looks like this. So Marco, it's time to let the beard grow out for real. Chat, are you serious, man? Look at this. And like, look at my neck over here and shit. Like, it looks disgusting. I'd have to like clean that up. I don't know, man. I don't know. It looks nasty. And then it starts getting itchy and shit. Like, what? Ugh. Feel like we're in a weird season, Anthony. I don't disagree. The thing is, and this doesn't, you have to understand, this doesn't happen all the time, guys. Right now, indices are at all-time highs, okay? This does not occur a lot. See, look, wifey is saying no. Wifey doesn't like the beard, guys. So I'm gonna get in trouble if I keep the beard. But guys, we're trading at all-time highs right now. This does not happen often, okay? So unfortunately, you're just gonna have to wait through times that don't occur too much. Example being right now, right at all-time highs. It doesn't happen a lot, but when it does, fuck, guys, you just have to wait. You just gotta wait, man. It sucks, but that's it. And that's why I branched back out to Forex, to provide myself some more opportunity, right? I'm just gonna react to certain market conditions. And right now, again, futures assets, the future assets I look at are at all-time highs. So that's it. Excuse me. Sunshine says, do you use the 4 hour from pre-market or current market? Always. 4 hours is a great time frame. Provides you highs and lows at 6 a.m., 10 a.m. And also provides you a bigger picture, right? For the higher time frame. Yeah, you need to shave, yo, mobs. Come on, bro. You don't have to roast me like that. But yeah, I do need it. Do need a shave. Husefa says, new here, have you done a breakdown on how you mark up your charts? I have. Let me see if I can. Here you go. Look at the chat. I've spammed that YouTube video. Is a 2 hour long video I've done with Riz on ChartFanatics, showing you guys exactly how I trade. So for the new people in here, I sound like a broken record, but if you're new in here, go watch that video. It's 2 hours long, exactly how I trade. Hey Marco, can you look at oil? I cannot. I don't trade oil. Fuck, man. Why does it keep going in my throat? What do you think about CRT? It's just another theory, right? Some people trade it. It works, I guess. I don't use it really, so well, I don't use it at all. I don't even know. I believe it's just like high to low or low to high, right? So for example, you had low, high taken, low taken. So this would be your candle range theory. This whole candle here. I don't trade it. And again, there's so many strategies out there, guys. Listen, if you can make money off it, then stick with it. So glad my thesis played out on gold. I have been on tilt since the start of the month. This week has gotten me out of some shit. Richie, you need to manage that risk, man, because the market's not always going to be in pretty conditions, so you need to react accordingly. Okay, and don't over risk when the conditions get crappy, because like you said, you've been on tilt all month, and that is not good news. So careful. Yes, Yo-Yo Boy says, yes, sir, you have to wait and deal with boredom to be profitable. Of course you do. Okay, wait, chat, mods, what accounts do we have? 1 second, let me go to the bosses real quick, guys. 1 second. One second. I'm going to the bosses. What do you look for if to understand? Okay, so for example, indices all-time highs. I just don't trade all-time highs. If there's been big moves, I need to wait for liquidity to get built up again. Okay. Okay, so guys, listen. I'm not looking at it for a trade actively right now. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wait to see what happens in 10 minutes at around 10:30. So we have some time right now. We have giveaways. Okay, it's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. Okay, if you're in the stream right now, stay here because we have like 7 giveaways to do. We're going to run a couple right now. And then we're going to run the rest in a bit. Last week you said you wouldn't touch Forex. I know. And this week I explained to you why I am touching Forex Reno edits. I'm not trading in futures. So I'm going to look to see if there's opportunity in other markets. Okay, giveaway time. Listen. One sec. One sec. Okay. Okay, yeah, and listen. The only way to enter is if you type exclamation mark join, but if you do it right now, you're disqualified. So I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to stop typing it. Listen. Do not spam join yet. If you type it right now, you're disqualified. So wait, listen to me. Listen to me. We are going to be doing giveaways right now. If you guys want to join. Oh, look at that. Manav, you typed in exclamation mark join. Anyone who's typing exclamation mark join right now is disqualified. Sorry, I didn't make the rules. Okay. When I say now, okay, I'll count down from 3. When I count down from 3, you guys can start typing exclamation mark join. And then you'll be entered in, okay? So 3, 2, 1, go. Exclamation mark join, and you'll join the giveaway. Okay, we're going to be giving away quite a few accounts today, to be honest. So we'll run some now, and we'll run some in a bit. But exclamation mark join in the chat. And yes, listen to the mods. Type it once. Oh my God, you guys are blowing up the chat. Okay. Only if you guys type it more than once, again, that's another disqualification. You know the rules, guys. Only type it when I say to type it, and only type it once. If you're typing it twice, oh, look at that. Yo, boy. If the bot catches you, you have been disqualified. Anyone who's typed it more than once is disqualified. Sorry, I didn't make the rules. The bot did. Okay, I'm gonna wait 30 more seconds. Okay, 10, 22, 30. Okay, 30 more seconds for the people in here that have not typed it yet. Type an exclamation mark join only once. Type it once. Okay, look at me. Look at me in the face. Okay, see me? Look at me in the face. Type it once. Not twice, not 3 times, once. Only once. Okay? And we're gonna cut it right now. We're going to cut it right now. I'm going to wait for the names to get sent over to me. 1 second here. Okay, I'm going to wait for the names, and we're going to copy and paste it into there, and then we're going to run this first giveaway. All right, so give me a moment here. 1 second. If you guys typed exclamation mark join, you guys are already entered into the giveaway. So just stay patient. We're going to run it in a moment here. Yo, W Richie. Look what Richie just said, guys. Share some love. Hit that like button. You know what, guys? I agree. Listen to Richie. I like Richie. More of you guys need to be like Richie. Okay? Richie's saying share some love and hit that like button. I agree, guys. Share some love, hit that like button, share the stream to your family, your mom, your dad, tell them to enter the giveaway. Okay, the more the merrier. Perfect. Hit that like button though, guys. The more likes we get, of course, the more giveaways we can do. That's just how it works. Waiting for the names to get sent over my way, guys. 1 second. We're waiting for Anth. Okay, where's Anth? Anthony needs to send it to me. Love you, Marco. I love you too. I love you too. Oh, wait. Wifey, I love you more. I promise. Okay, we're going to be getting the names here in a second. We can run this. We're going to be playing it. Okay, guys, I know I'm not doing no duck races. Look at me. Look at my face. I'm sick. And not only that, that's for the brother Tyler. Okay? Tyler runs those duck races. We have to respect that. He owns them. So we're going to be playing Wheel of Fortune. We're going to be playing some Wheel of Fortune. All right? Okay, I got the names. All right. Hopefully we can enter all of you guys. There we go. We can. All right. First giveaway. This is going to be for, let me make my decision. This is going to be for an Apex funded trader giveaway challenge. Free. F-R-E-E, free. Okay. Let's run the first one. Okay. Drum roll. Spin the wheel. First giveaway for Apex funded challenge giveaway goes to Rustam Abdulagov. Rustam Abdulagov. Everybody, W's for Rustam Abduliev. Let's go, Rustam. W Rustam. Rustam, are you here? Talk to me. Rustam? Where's Rustam? Rustam? I can't. Oh, there he is. Rustam Abduliev. Yep, there he is. W Rustam. Let's go, man. W. Okay, you've won. Congratulations. Good stuff. You did hard work. Thank you for liking the stream. If you haven't liked it yet, like the stream, man. Okay, we're giving away stuff for free. This is free. Okay, next one. I'm gonna remove now. Rustam, congratulations. You can't win again. So that's just not how it works. Next giveaway is going to be for another Apex Trader Funding Challenge. Okay, another giveaway is going to happen. Right now, we have two more for Apex, and then we'll move on to some other ones in a moment here. So this next one is going to be for another Apex Challenge. Listen up. Drum roll. Here we go. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Oh no, another name like this. Sunil Kavatakar. Sunil Kavatakar. Sunil Kavatakar. Let's go. W Sunil Kavatakar. W. Sunil Kavatakar, are you in chat? Let me know. Show me a sign of life. Sunil Kavatakar. Yo, why are you guys' names so hard to pronounce, man? Sunil Kavatakar, where are you? Show me some life in chat. There you are. Let's go. Congrats, Sunil Kavatakar. Yeah, that one. That one. Let's go, guys. Guys, I don't know why you're spamming exclamation mark join. Guys, I have all your names in the giveaway already, man. Stop spamming join. You're in here already. Okay. Another name like this. Congratulations on your 300K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. Please DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram. On to the next one. Let's remove Sunil. Congratulations once again. Drum roll. Next giveaway for Apex funded challenge. I keep butchering that, but listen up. Third account is going to go to... The suspense is killing me. The suspense is killing me. Oh my god, it was almost another name. Athlete Active. Yo, I love that name. I love that name. Athlete Active. Let's go. W Athlete Active. W Athlete Active. You don't see your name. It's not my fault you guys weren't here. I told you guys earlier in the stream, stay in the stream. We're going to be doing giveaways, guys. Athlete Active, show me a sign of life. Athlete Active, show me a sign of life. Show me you're alive. Tell me you're alive. I'm going to have to redo it if you're not in here. Talk to me. Talk to me. Athlete Active. My brother from another mother. Not a good sign. Oh my god, he's here. Let's go. W. Athlete Active. Congratulations. W Athlete Active. Okay, listen. We have... Let me check. We have 4 more giveaways. Listen. 4 more giveaways. I'm going to run one more right now, and then we'll run the rest at the end. Okay? To give other people a chance to join in. So we're gonna run one more. This giveaway is gonna be for Funded Next CFD 25K challenge. Free. FREE. And again, congratulations to Athlete Active W. Smash that challenge for me. Pass it, get a payout, and let me know. Update me. Next giveaway is going to be for a Funded Next CFD account. Okay? And then we're going to have 3 more giveaways after this. We're going to do it in a little bit, maybe 15, 20 minutes. Okay? And then we'll run another, get everybody updated names in. Okay? So people that are not in this giveaway, stay calm, man. Stop yelling at me. Okay? I'm doing my best over here. I'm literally doing my best. I'm giving everybody a chance. If your name's not in here now, stop yelling at me in the chat. Okay? I'll put your name in the next one in like 15, 20 minutes. Okay? So this is the last one for this section. Listen up. Funded Next CFD challenge. Lock in. Lock in. Here we go. Give me an easy name. Give me an easy name. Give me an easy name. What is it? Manicondon Manny. Manicondon Manny. Manicondon Manny. W Manicondon Manny. God damn, these names are hard, man. Are you guys doing this on purpose to me? Manicondon Manny. Show me you're alive. Are you alive? Stop laughing at me, man. Manicondon Manny. Oh, there you are. You're in here. W, Manicondon Manny. Let's go. W. Okay, guys, listen. For everybody that's in the stream right now, okay? I'm going to say this one more time. Stay in the stream, because in 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, we're going to run the giveaway again, okay? But if you're not in here for when we do the entries, it is not my fault, okay? I've given you the warning. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. We have like 3 more giveaways to do in like 15, 20 minutes. Let's hop back to the charts, see if anything looks decent. All right, and we're going to finish doing the giveaways in like 15, 20 minutes, all right? Cool, perfect, thank you. NQ back at all-time highs. What a big surprise. What a big surprise. NQ's middle name is all-time highs right now. I've never seen an asset more untradeable currently. This is the most untradeable asset ever. Hey Marco, thanks for the explanation, but in YouTube videos you were able to predict those. How? A lot of time, man. A lot of time. And of course, when there's a setup in front of me. How am I supposed to predict where price is going to go if I don't have a setup in front of me, right? I can't always just hop on the charts and show you where price is going to go. And Sheriff, anybody who's typing join right now is going to get timed out. So here we go. I'm timing you out. If you're coming in here just to spam join, anyone else is just going to get timed out. I'll tell you guys when to type join. If you're typing join right now, you're going to be banned. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is simple rules, guys. Just listen to the rules. Please, please, please. Stop spamming. Bro, it's Indian name. You can't pronounce the South Indian names. Oh, man, that's why. They're just difficult to pronounce. Marco, what about gold? Listen, if I had to tell you guys where gold is going, I think gold is going to continue selling off to the downside. Let's keep an eye on this high up here. Okay? Let's keep an eye on that 30-minute high. Oh, my God. Mods, please, anybody who is in here, just time out anybody saying join. Time out anybody and everybody saying join for 5 minutes. Because if they can't listen to easy instructions, then they don't deserve to be in the giveaway. Simple as that. You need the Funded Next account urgently? Well, stay in the chat because we're going to be doing some more giveaways in about 15, 20 minutes. What else do we have giveaway? We have 2 more Funded Next and a TradeZella. Okay, so we have more coming. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We'll keep an eye on gold for now. But that's it. Those hyenas, seriously. Seriously. It's just so simple. People think the more they People think the more they type join, the more entries they'll have, or it does not work like that. It does not work like that. Tyler says ETH longs. Should we tell him he's wrong? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should we tell him he's wrong? In fact, I do actually think he's wrong. I'm sorry, Tyler. I'm bearish. I don't know. Bro, look at this price action. Oh my word. Was this last week? This was last week. Look at this. Let me make sense of this. 1 second. Let me see if I can see what Tyler sees. Highs taken out. Lows taken. Yeah, I'm not sure, Tyler. Off the daily. You got highs taken here. Oh, I don't know, man. It's crazy because I can see this thing coming all the way back down to here. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Don't listen to me, chat. And if I was confident, I'd say I was confident. I'm not confident. So, listen, I could definitely be wrong. This is throwing me off to this area right here we're tapping into. I'll send the P&L. No, listen, I could be wrong, Tyler. Like I said, I'm not confident in it anyway, so I could definitely be wrong. Most definitely be wrong. Is the challenge passed or the funded passed? Huh? What do you mean, Robs? What do you mean, brother? Zog Trader says, brother, that liquidity video is amazing. Bro, appreciate you, man. W. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, amazing content. I like your approach to liquidity. I wish I could pronounce your name. I'll try. Mikululi. Something like that. Much love, bro. I appreciate the kind words. Thank you, thank you. Once the price takes all the liquidity, then it goes up for the other side of liquidity, but sometimes back to hit stop loss, although there is now liquidity below. Any advice here? That's a very, very broad question. See if I can draw out an example for you. One second, bear with me. Okay, so let's say we have price action like this. And so you guys are looking at these highs to get taken. Okay, because you see relative equal highs. Sometimes what happens is we'll make our way up to the top. And we've now just induced sellers and trapped them above this high. And now came into this area of interest. So a lot of you guys will look for continuation, right? Look for buys. But then it'll just come up here and it'll sell back down to the lows. Because this has occurred. All right, and these highs won't get taken yet. Okay, so this is a common mistake a lot of people make. Okay, liquidity taken from the left, but then you see this trap occur. And now you're caught buying still, and the market will come all the way down for the lows now. Pause stream and take a screenshot. This is some value for you right there. Hey Marco, do you stick to the 1 minute time frame or do multi-time? Always multi-time frame analysis. Always, always, always. Always. Mark Laverick, you've asked me the same question so many times, bro. I'm not even sure what you mean now. What's this move we had in New York on NQ? Back to the highs. Just curious to see these moves, man. Yeah, 650. That's mental. Look at that, 650. I'm in gold longs off the sweep. Sweep of this low. Rob's perfect, just what I needed. That explanation. W, Rob's. Yeah, just screenshot that. Screenshot that. A little bit of value for you guys. Brother, we need some more videos on how to develop bias. We have a lot of content. I have a lot of content coming, bro. Already have a shit ton of content out there, but we're still putting out more and more and more, as much as possible. Sorry, guys. Again, I'm sorry if I don't have the most energy, a lot of energy today. I'm a little bit down, man. I'm sick, so bear with me. I'm on a bunch of medication right now to try and keep myself feeling as good as possible. For those that are in here right now, we're going to be running some more giveaways in about 10 minutes probably. If you guys aren't in here by the time we do entries, don't get mad at me. Okay, I've given you enough warnings now. I took a crazy entry before on gold that was right before New York, and when New York opened, price went to my straight to my TP. Was I right there? Like 8 a.m. Up here? No, I would not be buying up here. Munya Minaj, all my socials are in the links below in the description of the stream. So if you do want to join, or sorry, follow me, you can check all those links out. All my socials are in the description. Areno Edits says, bro, kindly stop pronouncing names. Oh. Thanks, Areno Edits. Sorry, bro. That's my fault. I'll stop pronouncing names. I adopted your strategy and it's been a week since I have not taken a trade. Not sure if it's a good thing or not while trading FX. Bro, the market conditions have been terrible for the last week, so it's hard to gather data over a week's time, especially over this week. I told you not to kiss me, Marco, because I was just coming off the bird flu. Thank you, Tyler. If I want to pronounce names, I'm going to pronounce names, okay? I'm on stream today, not you, okay? If I want to pronounce names, and I'll pronounce them bad if I want, okay? I'm trying my best. I am trying my best. I pray, MK says, I pray for your quick recovery. You know what, man? I appreciate messages like that. I really do. Hopefully I recover soon. I am starting to feel better, so that's good news. That is good news. I am nowhere near 100%, but I am feeling better. So that's a good start. Yeah, Forex cooked right now, guys. Stay patient on Forex side of things. Again, UJ, for the new people in here, I'm going to be looking for longs probably tomorrow. But I have multiple high targets to the upside. Buy targets, sorry. High targets. I have multiple buy targets to the upside. So I'll be waiting on UJ. And then the other Forex majors like gold, euro, Aussie. I'm currently sidelined. I'm neutral. I don't have a bias. I don't have nothing. I am waiting patiently. Rob's, do I have a course or mentorship? All my links are in the description, bro. All those answers will be, or all your questions will be answered there. I have a private community where any day I'm not live on ChartFanatics, I'm live with my community. TradeZella, low-key a peak investment. TradeZella is the best investment, Mr. Wonder. So good Good analysis right there. I definitely recommend TradeZella to any of you. It's the best investment Tyler says you'll make in yourself as a trader. I 100% completely agree. The most pain as a runner is not to be able to run. Not able to run. I feel you, brother. It really is. It does suck. Especially because I have a race in a month and I'm not training right now, which is making me a little bit sad. I love you, man. Your strategy is easy and simple to trade. MK, I love you too, bro. AUD, NZD has been crazy bullish all year. That is a wild pair to be looking at. AUD, NZD. The Aussie Kiwi is what it's called, isn't it? Where are you live at? Discord? Yes, sir, in my private Discord. What was your support and resistance strat? That is from years ago. I do not trade support resistance. Marco, we need another liquidity masterclass videos. We have a lot of videos coming out soon, bro. So just keep an eye on socials. I'm doing as much as I can, I promise. Marco, how much win rate should I expect with the strategy? Everybody's different, right? So there's people I know that trade my strategy that have high win rates. There's people that I have low. It all depends if you want to have a more conservative approach or more of an aggressive approach. So honestly, it varies from person to person. That's the easiest way to answer that. Yeah, I'm almost 2 weeks no trades. I only look at YM and NQ. Preserving capital is key. AJ, bro, you are doing the right thing. I promise you. Sometimes it feels like you're not, but I can promise you you are. Guys, just a kind reminder to everybody in here. If you guys are going to consistently copy and paste your messages over and over, you're just going to get timed out, okay? I am trying to answer all the questions I see, literally all of them. So if you just continuously copy and paste your questions, I'm not going to answer them. It's simple as that. As you guys can tell, I'm answering 99% of these questions. It's fun when you try to pronounce the names the way Tyler pronounced John Puck, Gene Puke. It's just pure gold. Tendra, bro. Some of these names are so hard to pronounce, and they're names I've never even seen before. What's your view on XAU USD? I'm stuck, bro. I'm stuck. I feel like a long could happen. I'd be waiting for more PA personally, purely based off the fact that I'm just not sure right now. My confidence drastically, guys. My confidence drastically goes down when price is trading at all-time highs on any type of asset, and gold and the indices are right now, and that's why I'm showing up to these charts with a lack of confidence of what price wants to do. When price is not at all-time highs, it's much easier to read. Like this UJ short I took. When you have so much price in front of you, it's just so much easier to build a bias, to build a narrative. And my confidence goes up drastically. But when we're at all-time highs, it's a different story, guys. There's not a lot of data in front of you. The less data you have, the less probable conditions are, in my opinion. Any meetup plans for in the USA? I won't say no. I won't say no. I definitely want to do something in the future. I'll try and organize something for sure. Will we have an entry today? Not sure. Not entirely sure. Marco, you really have changed my perspective on trading. Mad respect and love. Shunok, mad respect and love right back to you. Thank you for the kind words. Robs, Marco, I've also adopted your strategy. It's so good, man. You're a legend, G. No, you're the legend, bro. Appreciate the kind words to you as well. Thank you, guys. Mansour wants me to send a signal. I don't have a signal, guys. If I had a signal to send, I'd be telling you guys right now. I promise you. But if I don't have an idea of what price is going to be doing, then it's out of my hands. Okay, cool, guys. Listen, we're nearing the end of the stream, and we got more giveaways too. So listen, okay? Listen up. When I say type join, you type join. If you type join right now, you're automatically gonna be disqualified, DQ'd. Okay, you're gonna be DQ'd. So when I say type join, I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, then I'll say type it. Okay, and only type it once. If you type it twice, disqualified. If you type it 3 times, disqualified. Once. All you have to do is type it once. Once. Okay, perfect. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Type join in the chat and type it once. Okay, type it once. That's all you got to do is once. If you type it 2-3 times, I'm gonna ban you. Oh my god! And look what Tyler did. Don't do what Tyler did. Okay, type join in the chat. Type it once, and you will be entered into the giveaway. I'm gonna give you guys 60 seconds here. Listen, guys, I'm gonna be looking in chat, and if the bot catches you, awesome. If not, I'll catch you. If you double type join, you're gonna be banned, and you're gonna be on timeout with Michael on the bench. Not only with Michael, with Tyler. Tyler's on the bench right now. Tyler's in timeout. Bye bye, Tyler. All right, guys, cool. I'm gonna give you guys 30 more seconds. No, exclamation mark join. Exclamation mark join. If you guys typed just join, I'll give you guys another 30 seconds. Exclamation mark join to join the giveaway. Okay? All right, cool. I'm going to be waiting for, okay, we're going to cut it off now. And I'm going to wait for the names to come my way. But everybody, stop typing join now. It's off. It's done. Stop typing join. Exclamation mark join is done. Stop typing it now. Listen to me. It's all done now. All right, so I'm gonna wait for the names, and then again we're gonna play some more Wheel of Fortune. How do I clear this? How do I clear this? Like this. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna wait for the names. No more join. If you type exclamation mark join starting now, I'm gonna ban you. Or I'm gonna time you out. You're gonna be on the bench with Michael. I'm gonna put you in the white van with Michael. With Michael and Tyler. Okay, and you're gonna have to sit in the white van with both of them. I'm gonna wait for the names to get sent my way, guys, and we have, listen carefully, okay? I'm gonna ask the bosses here. We have 2 more funded next giveaways and 1 6-month, count it, 6-month TradeZella subscription. 6-month. What did Tyler do last night? Count it. 6-month. I'm here right now. And he's... Okay, perfect. Okay, everybody's entered in. Let me go get the names. Here we go. I got the names. 1 second, guys. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. 6. Count them. 6. Okay, but listen, the first one we're going to do, this is going to be for Funded Next CFD challenge, free challenge. Okay, we have 2 to give away. First one is gonna happen right now. Let's go. Drum roll. Here we go. Lock in. First winner for the CFD account with Funded Next is gonna go to Trio 989 SP. Trio 989 SP. Let's go. W Trio 989 SP. Let's go. W. Can I get a sign of life from Trio 989 SP? Trio 989 SP. Are you in here? Trio 989 SP. Show me you're in here. Give me a sign of life. Oh my god, you're in here. Trio 989 SP. Congratulations. WWW. Let's go. All right, on to the next one. Another congratulations, Trio to 9. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Congratulations, Trio 989. On to the next giveaway. Funded Next CFD account. Lock in. Here we go. And the last account goes to Lenny Stephanus. Lenny Stephanus. Congratulations on your brand new funded next CFD challenge. Congratulations. Can I get a sign of life from Mr. Lenny in the chat? Don't go anywhere. We have one more giveaway to do, guys. One more giveaway to do.
6. Count 'em. 6.
All right, here we go, guys. And we have a special guest appearance for the next one. Okay, Lenny, I need a sign of life from you in the chat. Show me you're alive. Show me you're alive, Lenny. Show me you're alive, Lenny. Come on, show me a sign of life. There we go, alive and well. W. Lenny Stephanus. Congratulations on your brand new funded next CFD challenge. W's, let's go. Okay, guys, listen, the moment we've all been waiting for. The moment we have all been waiting for. We have, listen. We have a special guest appearance from Mr. TG Capital. Listen up here.
6. Count 'em. 6 months. TradeZella.
6. Count 'em. Wait.
6. Count 'em. 6 months. TradeZella.
There we go. You guys heard it here first. TradeZella. 6-month subscription. Free 6-month subscription. Not 1, not 2 months, not 3 months, not 4 months, not 5 months. 6 months. That's right. 6 months. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Here we go. Drum roll. The winner of the 6-month subscription with TradeZella goes to... Oh my... No, it better not be that name. Are you kidding? Hypo 6 Hamanaratab. Hypo 6 Artatab. Hyper 6 Armanatab. Are you... Who's doing this to me, man? Hypana Abajanatab. Hypanata Harmanachaba. Harmanachabi. Congratulations. All right, congratulations. Oh. Who? This is someone's trolling me, right? Someone's definitely trolling me because how Hypanatap Aranachab Tabi. Oh, this is a Russian name. That's why. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Pronounce is wrong. Well, obviously my pronunciation is wrong, man. I don't know how to read this. I'm sorry. But listen, show me some life. Hyponatat. Are you in the chat? He's not here. Don't tell me I just embarrassed myself. Oh my god, he's here. Hyponatat. Let's go. Congratulations. W. Hyponatat. You just won a 6-month subscription with Mr. TradeZella. That is probably my favorite giveaway right there. All right. And if you guys are unsure of what giveaway we just did,
6. Count 'em. 6 months. TradeZella.
Let's go, guys. W's in the chat. That was awesome. W's in the chat. Bro, just hire a guy who can read. Arendo Edits? You know what? I want you to tell me how to pronounce that name. Tell me how to pronounce that name right now. Tell me. I bet you 99% of the people in the chat right now can't pronounce this. If you're not Russian, you can't pronounce that. And I'll say it right now. 6, count them, 6 months. What a giveaway right there, guys. W's. Awesome. Guys, listen, I love all of you guys. I had an awesome time on the stream. I'm sick as shit. I'm going to go eat some more medication, drink some water, and feel better for next week. W's. I love all of you guys. Trade safe. Be safe. Most importantly, be safe. And I'll see you guys next week. All right? Much love. Take care.